Hi everyone, you're watching this video if you chose a special landmark in your country. So as I said before, this is the choice board. You will click on the name, the topic, and open it up in Google Docs, make a copy of it, and this is what you will see. Historical Landmarks Activity Sheet. All over the world, there are famous landmarks, monuments, or statues which are unique and special to a country. These monuments celebrate different people, historical events, holidays, or served a specific purpose. Research a landmark. If you chose this topic, you will find information on a special landmark in your country on the internet, on videos, or from people who have visited the site. You must have at least 3 sources of information. First, gather the information from your research on this page. Then, prepare your Google slide presentation using the information you have found. Each section can be placed in one Google slide page. All right, so the questions are divided into sections so that you can put them into the Google slide. So slide 1, describe the landmark. What does it look like? Where is it? What is it made of? How big is it? Slide 2, what is the history of the landmark? What events does it celebrate? Who does the landmark honor? Who were the people involved in building it? Slide 3, description of the building of the landmark. When was the landmark built? How long did the landmark take to build? How much did it cost? Were there any problems in the construction of this landmark? Slide 4. Are there any interesting stories connected with the landmark and its history? Stories about the building of it, stories about the event or people it remembers or celebrates. And the last slide would be the connection of this landmark to history of your country. Why was this place or person so important that a landmark was created? Please remember that we are looking for you to be as creative as possible when creating your Google slides. Add visuals, creativity to show your effort for this project. Don't forget that if you're working with group members, you should divide up the slides and divide up the work evenly. If you have any questions, you can contact me via Pupil Path or private message me on Google Classroom. Good luck with this activity.